Here is how to load data from an Excel file into Instadeq. First, we need a spreadsheet file card, which you can create by selecting the spreadsheet file type on an empty card. You can create an empty card by clicking the add card button at the top or bottom of each card in a deck, and it will create a new card there. Select the spreadsheet file card type, and this is the default view and configuration of the spreadsheet file card. We can load a spreadsheet in two ways manually. One is if you have the file, you can drag it and drop it in the drop area. It will turn blue, so you drop it there, and you will have the data available. As you can see, it has columns, it has rows, you can paginate or collapse here, and here you can select the worksheet in case there's more than one. As it's usual on spreadsheets, usually the first row are the headers. So for example, if I do a select or a group by with this information, let's see, I will have to drag the column and it will say C1 and it will have the name of the row there, which is something we don't want. Like, we can fix it in one way, which is to click here and to say that we want from the second row, and we can rename it to the name of the column, which is quantity. And now we have the same thing, but there's an easier way. Let's remove this. There's an option here that's unticked by default, promote rows to header. And if I select that and I load the file again in the second way, which is to click on the drop area and select it from the file picker, it will promote the first row as the names of the headers. So it will look like a table, except that it's a table that can have more than one worksheet. Other than that, it's the same. So now if I want to do, for example, sales by country, I drag total and country, and I don't have to do the thing of saying from the first row and give it a name. It will automatically do it. So the other option is persistent and channel, and this is the reason why it's asking here. By default, card is set to persistent and gets a unique channel that we can change. For example, we can say my sheet channel and apply. So whenever, if I say OK here, whenever I load a new value, it will store it in this channel, and whoever is listening or subscribed to this channel, it will get the new value automatically. So for example, any dashboard displaying information from this channel will update when I store it in the channel. And also whenever I load a dashboard or this deck, will get the last value stored in the channel. So this was how to load data from an Excel file to Instadeq. And if you have any question, just leave it in the comment section below. Bye.